Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Rodriguez here with Leatherman, and today I'm going to break down one of the most useful tool features in our products today, the Leatherman Bits. Today we'll talk about all the types of bits we offer, what they're good for, and why they might be your favorite feature after you watch this video. So let's get into it. Originally developed in 2004, our tool bits have become an indispensable part of the Leatherman feature set. It really allows you to customize your Leatherman with the different types of bits that you may use on a regular basis. Each bit is made from S2 steel and features two different bit tips, one on each end. Wherever the job or the adventure takes you, we probably have the bit that can help. So let's dive into all the bits that we offer. First up are the standard screwdriver bits. These are the most used bits and come in a variety of different sizes. Phillips 1 and 2, Phillips 0 and 3, flat screwdriver 3/32 and 1/8, 5/32 and 3/16, 7/32 and 1/4. Next we have a square drive bit that comes in a number 1 and 2 size. We also have various Torx sizes including a 6, 8, 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, and 30. One of my personal favorite sets to carry for camping, mountain biking, and maintenance are the Hex Bits, also known as Allen keys. The different sizes we carry are 1.5 to 2 mm, 2.5 to 3 mm, 4 to 5 mm, 6 mm with a 1/4 inch, 7/32 to 3/16, 5/32 to 9/64, 1/8 to 7/64, 3/32 and a 5/64, a 1/16 and a .05. We also have a posi bit in a number 1 and 2, like Phillips, but designed to handle more torque. Alongside these standard size bits, we also have the eyeglass screwdriver that works with our small bit driver. It features a small Phillips and flat screwdriver bit. Last but not least, we have a couple of specialized bits that I want to mention: the Carbide Glass Breaker and the extended Mut Bits. Mut Bits are great for reaching into tight recesses and come in a Phillips number 2 and 1/4 inch screwdriver bit, as well as a Torx number 15 and a Hex 7/64 bit. They're included with the Mut, or you can purchase them separately. The Carbide Glassbreaker bit is perfect for emergency situations or for safekeeping in your car with your Leatherman. It also features a 1/4 inch flat screwdriver that is beefy enough to double as a small pry tool. It comes installed in your Skeletal RX. We can also purchase it separately at Leatherman.com. I hope this gives you a better understanding of our bit sets and how they can make your Leatherman even more useful. If you'd like to pick up a bit kit or any of these specialty bits, check out Leatherman.com for more information.